So masiphume kuyo. uNkulunkulu uthi iHIV azange yabakhona. Then
baguliswa yini abantu?
Labantu laba uSathani uzoletha ezangathi uyagula. Bakutest wena ne. Ufike utest maybe sometimes wena mangavumi ushona ngithi bakhona abantu abashonile kodwa babulawe iHIV asile into leyo iHIV uSathani yakhona ukubulala aqambela makathi ubulawe iHIV ngoba uSathani anti igama lakhe.
Okay,
So into enzakalayo ne wena mahamba uyotesta uyazibona ukuthi uyagula uyafika uyatesta bayakutesta mawuceda ukutesta bathi you are HIV positive and then bayo cancel ngithi bazokunika counseling bathi say ma'am angithi uyabona ukuthi nangama test uthi wena yes bathi so ungawari you can still live a long and very healthy life as long as wena you gonna adhere to the regulations. So ama regulations ukuthi wena kune medication o government osinike wona HIV we understand ama ARVs understand. So wena uzothini mawakhona nawo uzothi yebo ngithi uyavuma uzothini
uzovuma lokho abakutshela kona
uthini
yebo
ngiyavuma uyavuma ukuthi ama ARVs uzowaphuza babshabangu uthi wena yebo babshabangu should you default kolama ARVs lawa uyazi ukuthi uzoyenzakalani kuwe wena uthini yebo uyazi ukuthi uzobeka impilo yakho engqipheni ngithi wena uthini yebo uyavuma ngithi. So babshabangu as from now on uzophila ngalama ARVs